Hello, it's Katina the broker back with a new video on Live Good. Today's video is about the money and about the team, okay? The team behind the money, okay? So let me before I get started, I want you to know we've got 3 to 5 heavy hitters that are making moves so fast, okay? Today I'm going to highlight my top 2. All right? And then next week, we're going to highlight some others, okay? But the reason I want to highlight my top 2 is because they are about to hit gold at any moment, okay? And so with that being said, let's talk about matrix commissions, all right? As you can see here, when you lock in your position in Live Good, you are given your own business center in our fast-filling 2x15 matrix. That's this right here. Can you see this? All right, where it says earnings per level. You see that it goes down 15 levels, right? So, all right, as more people join Live Good every single week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, okay, following their enroller. Okay, so the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. That's why I be telling everybody, secure your position right away. And how do you secure your position? You go to join Katina. Hold on one sec. How do you secure your position? You go to joinkatina.com. All right. And then you see right here where it says reserve your position today. Right here. You enter your name and your email. That is how you secure your position. But that's not what we're talking about today, okay? But let's get back to this matrix, okay? So, the matrix though. Okay, as you can see, it says earnings per level. Okay, so usually when you first start, you are not ranked, okay? But this right here is actually the number one question people ask is how can somebody get paid without recruiting anyone? As you can see, when you first start, you're not ranked, okay? But eventually, as the matrix fills up, you will be able to earn 2.5%, okay? But see, take a look at this here. A bronze level, a silver level, a gold level member, they will be able to earn, a silver can earn 13 levels, a gold can earn 14 levels, a platinum can earn 14 levels, right? And then the diamond earns 15 levels. Let me take a look, right? Hold on one sec. So the diamond earns diamond earns down to 15 levels here, right? As you can see, this is how we come up with that $2,047 without recruiting anyone. If you're bronze, it will be $4,095. Silver, it's $4,095. Gold is $8,191. Platinum is $8,191. And diamond is 16. Oh my goodness. 16,383. But let's get to the members. That's the whole reason for today, because these members are rocking and rolling, and they're helping us all to grow and to fill this matrix, okay? So let's first talk about our fastest growing team. All right, let's talk about Coach Cam. Now, this is his YouTube channel. Now, this is what's interesting about Coach Cam. He just started this YouTube channel like a couple days ago. But guess what? He is already about to hit gold and become a gold member within like 3 weeks. Okay, and that's just based off hard work, his own hard work and effort. So he's dropped a few Live Good videos. Go to his page, follow him. He's giving some great information. And like I said, he is the prime example and prime person to follow if you don't think you can create videos or you don't think videos will help you. or that you don't think you're good at making videos. Okay, if you don't think you're good at making videos, this is the prime person to listen to, because he's probably going to hit gold any day now. Okay, he's moving way faster than I was. So he's probably going to hit gold any day now, and he did it without a YouTube channel and without YouTube videos. So definitely give him a follow. All right. So our next member highlight is definitely gonna be From Failure to Freedom. Okay, John Archberger. Okay, now he's a big time YouTuber. Okay, he has whole classes on his YouTube channel, but he's definitely hitting the ground running, and he's only been a member with us, I want to say about a week, maybe two. So he's already surpassed the silver level, and he's got lots of cool videos. So be sure to go and follow his channel, From Failure to Freedom, and he's given step-by-step instructions on how to turn your LiveGood membership $49 into six figures. So definitely check him out. All right, so that's the video for today. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can see who gets highlighted next week as our top team members. But my channel is all about helping ordinary people to start making money online. And so as you can see, we highlighted one member, Coach Cam, who just started a YouTube channel and about to become a gold member in about 3 weeks. And then we got our other top team member who has a big YouTube channel, and he's always helping people to make money and, you know, teaching classes and everything on YouTube. So we've got all sorts of people on the team. So definitely, if you are ready to subscribe and to be a LiveGood member, it's the fastest growing company in the industry right now. Okay, and so this matrix is filling up. You still got plenty of time. It's still a new company. It's only a couple of months old. So you still have plenty of time to secure your position and quickly become gold or platinum or diamond. So again, if it's your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. And I'm Katina Willis. If you made it to the end, type I made it so I can see you and talk to you back. All right. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the other side. Take care.